Hi everyone, welcome back to SGK English Elementary English Grammar. I hope you are watching the videos and studying all grammar items. Today let us study a small structural grammar, that is no sooner than. No sooner than. Soon, sooner. Okay na? I mean means as soon as. Means immediately. Okay na? It's a usage used in a separate way. See, no sooner, with no sooner you have to use than. The conjunction than. Okay na? So no sooner than is equal to as soon as. Means as early as or as soon as. Okay na? No sooner than is equal to as soon as. For example, see, I entered the train. Immediately it began to move. I entered the train or the compartment. Immediately, see, it began to move. See, how will you say? I mean, as soon as I entered the train, it began to move. It can be rewritten using as soon as also. As soon as I entered the train, it began to move. That is the meaning of it. Okay, now you can rewrite using as soon as also, no problem, right? You can rewrite using as soon as. How will you rewrite? As soon as I entered the bus or the train, it began to move. Then you should not use the word immediately, because as soon as means immediately. Okay, while rewriting, don't use it again. Rewrite into a single sentence. There should not be any full stop in the middle. So as soon as I entered the train, it began to move. So same thing can be rewritten using no sooner. No sooner did I enter. Did plus V1 is equal to V2. Did plus V1 is equal to V2. You know V1 means what? Present, past participle. V1, V2, V3. So did plus V1 is equal to what? V2. So no sooner did I enter V1. You see, the bus, than it began to move. No sooner did I enter the bus than it began to move. Or you can say using had also. No sooner had I entered the bus. Did plus V1 or had plus V3. Did plus V1 or then what? Had plus V3. So did plus V1. Had plus V3. You see, no sooner had I entered the train, see, than it began to move. Did plus V1 or had plus V3 you have to use. Did I enter the bus, than it began to move, or had I entered the train, it began to move. Okay now? Than it began to move. So generally no sooner used with did plus V1 and had plus V3. It can be used with present also. Take for example, see, she hears the alarm bell, alarm clock at 5 a.m. For example, she hears the alarm at 5 a.m. Immediately she wakes up. This is present. She wakes up as soon as she hears the alarm bell. The meaning of it is she wakes up as soon as she hears the alarm bell, or immediately she wakes up. So no sooner, where is that? I mean, how will you say that? See, where is that? She hears, the present symbol. Okay now. So immediately she wakes up. So this is also present. So how will you say? No sooner does she hear. Again, does plus V1. See, does she hear? Does she hear the alarm bell? than she wakes up. So no sooner can be used with the present also. Okay na? So did plus V1 or had plus V3, does plus V1 also can be used. Okay na? So did plus V1, had plus V3 and does plus V1 also can be used. Take for example, she hears the alarm bell at 5 a.m. See, immediately she wakes up. As soon as she hears the alarm bell, what happens? She wakes up. No sooner does she hear the alarm bell than she wakes up. Again, immediately should not be used. So it can be used with the present and past. Present here, past simple, past perfect and present simple. In all three ways, no sooner can be used. Same structure, another one is here. Hardly and scarcely when. No sooner than. It is as same as hardly when and scarcely when. There is another structure using hardly and scarcely. Hardly and scarcely are negatives. Okay na? No time left. That's meaning hardly. You see, hardly did I enter the train when it began to move. Only difference is that when you use hardly and scarcely, instead of than, you have to use a when. Is it clear to you? Same structure you can rewrite using hardly and scarcely. Hardly and scarcely. When you use hardly or scarcely, the difference is that instead of than, you have to use when. Hardly did I enter the train when it began to move. Same meaning. Only difference is that instead of than, you have to use when. That's all. Only difference is that instead of than, when should be used. Same also scarcely. Scarcely did I enter the train when it began to move. This can be rewritten using had also. Hardly had I entered the train. Had plus V3. Repeat once again. Hardly had I entered the train when it began to move. Or scarcely had I entered the train when it began to move. See, I mean, same thing can be present simple also. You see, here also, you see, she hears the alarm bell. Hardly does she hear the alarm bell when she wakes up. Scarcely does she hear the alarm bell when she wakes up. The structure is no sooner than. Is as same as soon as. So no sooner did plus V1 and had plus V3. It can be used with present simple also, which happens very rarely. It is used, it can be used, which happens very rarely. So same structure is there with hardly when and scarcely when. It is as same as no sooner than. No sooner than is equal to as soon as. It is as same as hardly when and scarcely when. Remember, did plus V1 and had plus V3. Does plus V1 also is there. It can be used with a does plus V1 also. This is the structure of a no sooner than. It is as same as soon as. Thank you for watching. For more updates, subscribe the channel SGK English. Thank you.